YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Guys, your girl has been killing it. I've been giving you videos back to back. Alright, so what I have for you guys right now is Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm doing giveaways, baby. Back to back. Boom! All of 2019. Let's go. And if you like me and love me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I'm doing a giveaway right now. Please don't forget to check that out. I will link that video in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out. Also, I hope you guys have checked out my good friend Miss Busy Beauty stuff. Check out her lots. She ain't playing. I'm not playing. Go buy. Go buy now. But wait, watch me and then go buy. Oh man, guys, I'm just loving today. It's been so beautiful. Went to the Dollar Tree. Love the Dollar Tree. Got a little haul for that. Next little video coming up. But yeah, I'm having a great day right now. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, if you do not know, it is $25 a month free shipping, and you get full size products in here. It's kind of like Ipsy. You get to see spoilers about it, and you get to see you don't get to do you get to choose a product? I don't think you get to choose a product for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I know for the Ipsy Glam Bag you can. Also, if you want to just receive Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, okay, because Birchbox is, BoxyCharm is, you have to have both. You have to have the BoxyCharm and the BoxyLuxe to be able to receive it. I'm trying to think if you could just get just the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, they are not freaking greedy ass bad bitches. Sorry, Birchbox, BoxyCharm. But anyways, Ipsy, you can either try either or you can, what I'm doing now, skip a month. So I will not be getting Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September. I will get my regular Ipsy, but I will get it back for October. Then I'll skip it for November, and then I'll get it for December. So I like that. I saved $25 a month. I like it. You like it. I love it. Let's go. All right. So I know what I'm getting in this box, and I can tell you right now, all the palettes that they were giving, there was like 5 different ones, and I didn't want the ones that I got. Of course not. There was a Tarte, it was like, oh, Dream palette, Dreaming something palette. I wanted that one so bad, and I didn't get it. So this is what the box looks like. Here it is right here. And, oh, that's a cute thumbnail. And this is my little, shows you everything I'm getting in the box. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is by Purlisse. And this is the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. Protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily, no white tint. Prep skin for makeup, normal, dry to even sensitive skin. Okay. I love me a good moisturizer. Let's see. Also, guys, if you're wondering what's on my lips today, I am wearing Jeffree Star's X Supermodel. I love these bullet lipsticks. And then also, on my eyes, I used one palette for this eye look, and that was the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. So, I like that one. Okay, so here's what it looks like right here, and let's see what kind of a moisturizer this is, because I love me some moisturizers. I really do. This morning I used, I think it was in last month's bag, I got the, oh my god, Pixi by Petra Gel Moisturizer. And I thought I didn't like it at first. It was like kind of very sticky on the face, but it's actually held my concealer and blush and everything in place. So, ooh, it definitely smells like a flower. Okay, so it's not the best moisturizer, but I mean, it's good to have extras. Ooh, I'm getting kind of a headache today, guys. To get some ibuprofen when I'm done filming. I hate getting headaches. Alright, next little goodie is this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette. Oh, Samantha, are you going to try this? I am obsessed with blushes lately, so I'm going to have to keep this. I was going to say, I'll just give this away, but got some good contour colors in there, too. Where did my boxy cutter just go? And I tried to do the $10 Dollar Tree challenge, and then I was like, okay, Samantha, you can't do 10, maybe you could do 20. I spent 29. I tried, guys. I really tried. Are we getting this out today or tomorrow? Today. Guys, I miss nails. I miss my nails. I pray soon my nails will come back because I am missing nails like crazy. Okay, so here's what you get. And I wish I knew the full set of the prices of this stuff. Ooh. Tell me why I am like gravitating towards this blush. Oh, that is pinky and pigmented. Oh my gosh. There's just something about that blush just makes me scream like Barbie. So I'm kind of glad I got this now. I bitched and said I didn't want it, but now I'm kind of glad I got it because I get to try the different blushes. Ooh, that's the bronzer. Bronzer's a little chalky, but what can you do? Okay. I was going to give that away. I'm glad I kept that. All right, Ipsy Glam. You might be knowing your girl. You lucky I become obsessed with blushes lately. Alright. So that's awesome. Nice little right here. You can just try on. Honestly, I wish I knew what this retailed for. Oh! Here it is. Value $20. Okay. And the Perlice was $45? Have you lost your mind? Your marbles. Your something. I am so sorry, but my It Cosmetics is $45, and that one is bomb.com, and this one, Honey Boo Boo, is not. Great, I put it in wrong, and now it's like royally stuck. See, I put it in backwards. Whatever, that's my life, backwards. Okay, I don't agree with that. I've had so many better moisturizers. No ma'am. All right, the next little goodie in here is by Sova, don't know. And it's the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. I've never used these. I have some. I've just never used them. So these retail for $26, and it says here, shake well for a all-over glow. Mix it 2-3 drops in your moisturizer or foundation for a highlighted effect. Wow. This is very pretty. This is very, very pretty. I'm very intrigued to try this. That is thick. Holy crap, that is like thick. Wow. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued to try this. So like, and it's in the color Trust Fund. I'm curious. I'm curious. I was actually thinking this morning. Oh, comment down below, guys, if you know a good primer, glowing, I know you guys know the word I'm thinking of. Something primer, glowing primer. It's a primer, guys, and it's to prime my face, but to give me like a nice little glow, like a subtle glow. Please comment down below which one you recommend, because I need one. And I was like, damn, I do not have a glowing primer. Because this morning, I wanted to just do just a little simpleness, and I didn't want to like, I wanted my face to look natural, like glowy, like dewy, you know what I mean? So give me like a glowing primer you could think of that I can really like hydrate my face but have like a nice little dewy glow underneath the skin. Put that in the comments below. Okay, and that retails, I did say, $26. All right, the next bad boy I am getting is the Farrah brushes set. I really do like Farrah. There was some really cute, pretty icicle ones that I wish I kind of would have gotten. These are just kind of boring silver. But these retail for $48. Holy cow. So basically, you've already made your money back. $25 is what I paid for this box, and we're like already at like $200 almost. So these are nice. Definitely check these out and let you guys know in a future video. I say what kind of brushes? It does not. Ooh, but I definitely can use this one right here in the middle. I need a new one when I'm highlighting my brow bone, so that's good. Glad that I got this. All right. 3 more things in here, and this is what's left that I got in the box, and this is the Balm of Your Hand, and this is all volumes. blush and eyeshadow. Oh, and bronzer, I guess. So normally I do not like these. I'll tell you that now. I don't, because I just feel like you cannot get your brush in these. But you know what? These you can. You know the little tiny books they give you and like samples? I never can get my brush in those. But these, I definitely can see myself getting into these. So we have Matte Reed. Okay, and that's the Meet Me Matte Matrimony. We have the Firm. Firm looks very pretty. We have Alice Cooper. We have Matte Russo. We have Mary Luminizer, which I love Mary Luminizer. And then we have the Bahama Mama Bronzer. That actually looks really pretty. Down Boy Shadow Blush. I like that color. Frat Boy Shadow Blush. And this new one, Instain. Ooh, look at Instain. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, why have I become obsessed with blushes lately? I think they're just so girly. I don't know. I change. One minute I'm obsessed with highlighters. The next I'm obsessed with bronzers. I just went through a bronzing phase. Also, guys, remember I was talking about blotting sheets? I found some. The last pack at Sally's today. And I left them in the bestie's car, of course. But I'll have them later on today. I really wanted to try them out, though, for you guys on camera. And obviously I can't because I left it in the car. But I bought some, and I definitely can use some right now, like on my chin area and like over here, kind of. Yeah. Okay. So that was everything we got in the Ipsy box itself. And that was the Balm, the Soué Illuminizer, the Perlice. I still can't believe this is $45. I don't see it. Where the frick did the brushes go? The NYX Blush and Contour Set, and the brushes. Now I have 2 extra little goodies in here, and that was me purchased myself, and they were $3 a piece, the add-ons. And I got this Luxie brush. Oh god, that's so soft. And it is the Luxie, does it say? Blending brush. So I got that for $3. And then I got this Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. I think, yes. I think I cashed in points for this. Yeah, I cashed in points for this. These were my points that I cashed in. Ooh, that smells good. And I've just been really into lip balms lately because it's, you know, with the summer and everything like that, you want to keep your lips hydrated. So I will check that out and let you know in a future video. Alright guys, so that was everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you guys would like to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link in the description box below. And definitely check out that giveaway. Winners will be announced on the 31st, so you're not going to want to miss it, the last day of the month. And 2 lucky winners will be winning Morphe palettes. So are you going to be one? Hopefully. Alright guys, as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.